Hi, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP. Today I'm going to do a quick video doing uh, doing threaded brass inserts uh, into some various 3D printed parts that I'm putting together. I'm working on adding a HeroMe version 6 cooling system to my Ender 5 Plus. So I've printed out the parts. Now I have to do the threaded inserts, which I'll be honest, I've never used before. So I'm using M3 4x5 threaded inserts, and I've gone ahead and heated up my soldering iron. I'll go ahead and try to do this. I'm heating the threaded insert and gently push them in. Of course, I pushed it too far. That looks all right. I turn my down to 250. Go. Very gently push this in. There we go. And I have one last hole on this piece. Try to flatten out this ridge here I made. Go. Have one more thread of insert set on this piece. Push that through. There. That looks good. That looks alright, I think. Put aside. And I'll do these pieces. Well, I'll do this small piece first. Grab my insert and just push it through. Try to get it level. That looks good. Next one. Looks good. We'll go ahead and do these pieces. Adding my threaded inserts. Like I said, using the heat on the soldering iron to heat these up and then push them through. Of those 4 in, I have 1 to 5 on each side I need to do. 5 on each side and then 4 on the front. As I mentioned, this is the HeroMe 6 cooling system. I did have a BIQ BQ H2 hot end on my, whoops, push that all the way through, on my under 5 plus, but I'm having some issues with trying to remove the heat break. One of the grub screws is stripped, so I've contacted BQ support to see if I can get some help with that. Right now the hot end's absolutely useless without the because I can't get those grub screws removed. I'm pushing a little too hard on this, I think. Gentle. I just bought these threaded inserts off Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments and the show notes. The thing I don't like about the HeroMe is the documentation. Trying to figure out exactly how to mount everything. I think it's going to wind up being a lot of trial and error for me. On both sides. Now I think I need 4 on the front. Go ahead and add those. Now those threaded inserts should make this much more sturdy. That's pretty good. Looks like it's again flush. These threaded inserts are much easier to use than I thought. Like I said, I've never used them before. Let's check this. Let's see. Should be. My 3 threaded inserts over here. And here's my duct. Just look at this real quick. Can't tell if I need threaded inserts on here or not. This is going to go right here. I'll need to look and see how this needs to be mounted. But anyway, I have my threaded inserts done. I just use my soldering iron to heat these up real quick and push them through. I might have to clean them up a little bit, but that's how you use a soldering iron to do the threaded inserts. Again, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP. If you like my videos, please click like or subscribe. I appreciate your time today. Thank you so much.